Hello everyone and welcome back again. Today we are going to start a brand new series on Expo Route. And trust me, this is the easiest and cleanest way to handle navigation in React Native. So before we dive into the code, let's quickly understand what is Expo Route actually. Expo Route is a file-based navigation system for the React Native. Instead of the writing long navigation config on registration screen manually, Expo Route use your folder and structure automatically create the routes. You make a file, it become a screen. You make a folder, it become a route. Simple, clean and super scalable. This is the way Expo Route feel very similar to the Next.js. For the mobile apps, that is the huge win for the React Native developer. And to understand how everything works, we need to start from the top. Expo Route begins by looking at your project roots folder. The app folder, this is the heart of your entire navigation system. Every screen, every route, all navigation rule are live inside this folder. Inside the app folder, you will always find two important files, the layout file and the second one, the index file. Let me tell you what is the index file. The every first screen when you open your app, the user will be seeing this, the index file. The second one, we have the layout file, the navigation control. This decide whether the screen inside the folder use the stack, tab or the simple. The Expo Route will be provide you a three navigators, the slot navigator, the stack navigator and the tab navigator. Let me show you what these are. So let's see. This is the stack navigation. You can see from one screen to another screen we are going to call this is the stack navigation. Let me show you what is the bottom tabs. This is the bottom tabs navigator. When you are clicking to the button, you are going to navigate to that screen. So this is the bottom tab. Show you this is the drawer. You can see when you are clicking to the sidebar button, you are going to open the drawer. So this is the drawer tabs, and this is the top tab view. You can see this is the React Native tab view. In this series, we are going to cover all these navigations and using the Expo Route. So this is the official documentation of the Expo Route. And also one thing more, Expo Route also built on the React navigation. So this is the React navigation. It's built on the React navigation. So I do not want to waste your time. Let's start with the practical. So this is my project. First, we are going to clean up project. So for that, let me open the package.json and just copy the reset project. Just copy this and let me open the file and yarn. Let me reset the project. So do you want to take a copy of this structure? I say no. And now you can see, let me reload the app again. So first we have only the one screen. You can see the index file and the second one is the layout. The layout is the stack. So now I'm going to show you how can we navigate from one screen to another screen. For that, this is my app screen. First, I'm going to create the first screen, first.tsx, and let me create the second.tsx, and also we are going to create the third screen also, third.tsx, and let me copy the index file whole and just paste it, and let me clear the first, yes, and let me clear these things, first screen. So this is the first screen. You can see, and export default, we do not need to export default, and just copy this, just copy the whole again and go to the second screen. Let me do it like this, and let's go to the third screen. So now I'm going to show you how can we navigate from the one screen to another screen. So just come to the index file, and this is my button. So first we have the link command. This is from the Expo Route. Just go import this, and we are going to add the href and just type the first screen. We are going to navigate to the first screen. Let's see, first screen. So it's, let me remove this first screen. Let me format the code. After this, you type the push to push the screen in your stack. Let me click this. So now you can navigate to the first screen. You can see like this. This is the first way we can navigate from one screen to another screen. The second way, we have the using the use route. Just const and just type the route is equal to use route. Just import from the Expo route and just copy this, and we are going to create a one pressable and just type the text again and just say, and let me import the text also from the React Native and just type the second screen, and we need to add the on press and just type the route dot push and also add the your second screen. So now when I click to the second screen button, so I will navigate to the second screen. Let's see. You can see this is my second screen. We can easily navigate to the second screen. So let me show you. Style this button also. Style. So let me paste the style. We can one thing more. Just copy this button and come to your screen and just type the first screen. Also, we can add our custom button or custom component inside the link, but this time we do not need to add the on press. Let me remove this. So you can see when you click this button, it's not working because of what? When you are wrapping anything inside the link button, you need to add as child. You can see as child. So when I click this button, you can see I can navigate to this screen. So like this, we can navigate from one screen to another screen using the link and the use route. So let me remove these things again. So now I'm going to show you other thing also. How can we find the path of the app? So now I'm going to create a third screen, and let me add my third screen to this screen. I want to navigate from to the third screen. So how can we find the path of this app? So for that, just copy this, copy the path. You can see, and let's this is my index file, and let's see the path, and we have the path of the. Let me remove this path. You can see we have a path of the app. We do not need the path because we're inside the app. Path of the third screen. So let me show you this. How can we see the path also? Let me clear this. First we need to copy this. So first we are going to add this Expo route sitemap. So let me edit this. And after that we need to render this. You can see. Let me press. So now we can see we have a first screen, second screen, and third screen. When I want to navigate to the third screen, so for that, just come here. This is my, let me copy this link button again and just press it, and let me type the color red, and we need to add the margin top 20. So now I'm going to navigate to the third screen. Let me type the third. So this is my ref. Let me set like this. So we have a third screen. Let's see we can navigate it or not. So this is our third screen. If you create another screen also, like inside this, inside, and inside we have, let me show you. So if we create another folder also inside the third screen, let's see what will be the path of our folder. So this is the third. Let me add it in the inside the folder. So now we can see what will the folder path. Now we can see what is the folder path. So let's see. So you can see we have a third inside, and then we have a third screen. So if I change this into the index, so now my path will be changed to the inside. You can see inside. So now if I navigate from this screen, so I need to add, let me add it like this. So we do not need to type the inside name also. So let's see, let me navigate this. So now you can see I can navigate to the third screen also. Now I'm going to show you one thing more, that's the redirect. So when I come to the third screen, So I want to redirect to the first screen. So for that, I'm going to the third screen first. So this is my third screen, you can see, and I'm going to redirect. Let me add the redirect also. Let me remove these things and just add the redirect from the Expo, and let me add the href and just add the first screen. So when I come to the third screen, I will directly redirect to the first screen. Let me show you that also. When I click to the third screen, so I just directly redirect my third screen to the first screen. So this is the React Native Expo route. So in this video, we cover a lot of things of the React Native Expo, like a redirection, how to create the screen and Expo route, and also how can navigate from the one screen to another screen using the ref and use route. So in the next video, we are going to cover the layouts and other things React Expo. See you in next video. For now, bye bye.